my daughter wants to eat donut and hindi siya titigil hanggat hindi ko nabibigyan. She was clingy, she was sweet, just to make her request granted. Then I bought her donuts and she was happy. Then I tried to call her, I tried to call her attention, but she's too focused on her food. Alam niyo, mga kapatid, sometimes God will not allow our prayers and petitions to be granted because He knows that if He gives us what we ask, we become too focused on the thing He gives rather than in Him. So, be blessed on what you have right now and you're still serving the King. Mga kapatid, focus on the blesser and not on the blessing. God bless.